So Bitcoin is sitting at $76,000, as you can see. And the overall support of Bitcoin is still at $73,000. I'm not going to change that because we already have two levels of support. One is 73,000 because of the cup and handle on which this thing is delivering. It is just delivering in a most awesome manner. But the handle can always come down and test 73 because this is an aggressive handle. Handles are generally like this, but it is staying super bullish. It can always come down and test the handle if it wants to. Other than that, there is no bearishness whatsoever in Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is staying up. Let me see how many days it has stayed. It stayed in this range. Oh, it feels a lot, but it's not. Damn it. I thought it's been multiple days. It's 1, 2. Okay. It's been Bitcoin's third day that it is staying above $70,000 range. So it is really fresh. There's still room for Bitcoin to breathe and actually come down and test. Now the weekend is going to start. If you hear the sounds, that's my cat singing. On weekend, volume is low. A market runs into problems. There is no resistance on Bitcoin except for the $80,000. That's the target area that I had for Bitcoin in the month of November. So $80,000 is my resistance if I have to put a resistance. And if Bitcoin continues to play in this range, of course, for those who are investing in Bitcoin, they can trade with it. As an investment, it wouldn't be that fancy, but Bitcoin basically controls the rest of the market. If it continues to stay above $73,000, it leaves the rest of the market in bullish super cycle. Everything will continue to fly. Like coins like Cardano, they move 12 to 15% in one day. So stuff like that will start happening to pretty much every coin. Every coin will start flying. We will be seeing something like we saw in the month of March, an aggressive altcoin rally. And this thing stays valid up to 71,600 if I'm not mistaken. That's what I had offered. I had offered 71,600, right? Or 71,000. I don't remember. Let's call it 71 just for the sake of ease. I think it was 71,600 I had offered. Yeah, I think so. Anyway, so that's the another bullish support. But right now, we just care about 73. It's sitting at 76,200. I mean, there's no point of talking about 71 when we can look at 73. And there are sometimes support areas. It's just that it doesn't need to go and test. Like we had one at $61,000. It was also 61,600. Bitcoin didn't bother going back there and testing it. It just left that area all alone, and it just continued to move up. So over here, of course, 71 is really close. It can go and test, but it's not a necessity. The important one is 73, which is kind of a necessity. Bitcoin will come and test it when, God knows, but that is an area that needs to be tested because that is the area of a neckline of this overall bullish story that is started. It makes sense because it is deliverance on the cup and handle. Even if it moves up, it will come down someday in next week and it will test it. My assumption would be that it would like to test it when there is volume on the low side, which will be weekend. So maybe in weekend Bitcoin will slowly come down and the rest of the market would not react that aggressively. You need to understand the rest of the market is trying to get detached to Bitcoin and have its own rally. So some of the coins will continue to move up even if Bitcoin is red. And we are seeing that in multiple coins. So let's see how it goes. Anyway, that's pretty much the case scenario with Bitcoin. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good and you should know better what is good for you.